Zurich Insurance Group Ltd is a Swiss insurance company, commonly known as Zurich, headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland. The company is Switzerland's largest insurer. As of 2013, the group was the world's 75th largest public company according to Forbes Global 2000's list, and in 2011 it ranked 94th in Interbrand's top 100 brands. Zurich is a global insurance company which is organized into three core business segments: general insurance, global life and farmers. Zurich employs around 60,000 people serving customers in more than 170 countries and territories around the globe. The company is listed on the SIX Swiss exchange. As of 2012 its capital position was strong, with shareholders' equity of $34.494 billion. History: the company was founded in 1872 as a marine reinsurance under the name Versicherungsverein, a subsidiary of the Schweiz Marine Company. In 2000, after a number of acquisitions, it was unified to form one holding company, Zurich Financial Services. In April 2012, Zurich Financial Services Limited changed its name to Zurich Insurance Group Ltd. In a statement the group explained the rationale behind the name change. In recognition of this strategic focus, the reference to financial services in the company name has been replaced by indicating the insurance activity of the group instead and to specify the purpose accordingly. Core business segments. General insurance. Zurich's general insurance business serves individuals, small and medium-sized businesses and major multinational corporations with motor, home, and commercial products and services. Global life. Zurich's global life business offers life insurance, savings, investment and pension products. In the United States, life insurance is issued by Zurich American Life Insurance Company with offices in Schaumburg, Illinois and New York City. Farmers. Zurich's farmers segment includes farmers management services, which provides non-claims related management services to the farmers exchanges, as well as the Farmers business which includes reinsurance assumed from the Farmers Exchange by the group. Zurich unregistered trademark S. Farmers Insurance Group is the third largest insurance group in the United States. Corporate social responsibility. In 2009, Zurich was awarded Charity Times Best Insurance Services, and was shortlisted again in 2010. In 2012 the Zurich Community Trust won the Cross-Sector Partnership of the Year award for its partnership with the treatment charity Attribution. According to its website, Zurich Community Trust has donated over £60 million since 1972, with the goal of addressing key social issues. It has supported over 600 charities a year, making a measurable impact on the lives of over 80,000 people. Zurich was one of the first recipients of the Community Mark from Business in the Community, which it has successfully retained for 3 years. At a group level, the Zurich Foundation's mission is to help individuals and communities understand and manage risk, leveraging Zurich's core strengths as an insurer. Zurich is achieving this aim by working with long-term partnership with select non-profit organizations such as Practical Action, the Rainforest Alliance, and the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. In March 2012, Zurich reinforced its commitment to the Zurich Foundation by making a substantial investment of $100 million. In 2011, Zurich launched a free online resource My Community Starter designed to make getting involved in community activities more simple. On October 24, 2002, Zurich North America hosted a ceremony at the 9/11 Tribute Center honoring the winners of its 2012 KAMP Awards, a program created as a living legacy to the 4 employees killed on September 11, John Keohane, Peggy Ilario, Kathy Moran and Ludwig Picaro. In March 2013, Zurich announced its Global Flood Resilience Program, which aims to enhance community flood resilience by finding innovative ways to increase the impact of disaster risk reduction efforts at community, national and global levels. The first country program is taking place in Mexico and Indonesia. To maximize the community impact of the program, Zurich has formed a strategic alliance with the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. Financial performance information. Zurich Insurance Group Ltd is listed on the SIX Swiss exchange under the ticker ZURN. As of December 1, 2012, there were 148,300,123 fully paid registered shares and 124,847 shareholders. 24.7% of the holding of the registered shares were private individuals, 7.2% were foundations and pension funds, and 68.1% were other legal entities. In its full-year results for 2012, Zurich reported a net income after tax of $3.878 billion, an increase of 3% on the previous year, and a business operating profit of $4.075 billion. A full-year dividend of 17 Swiss francs per share was approved at the annual general meeting. The company has a Solvency I ratio of 278% as of December 31, 2012, and a Swiss Solvency Test ratio of 178% as of July 1, 2012, far above the minimum capital requirements. The strength of Zurich Euro unregistered trademark's balance sheet is reflected in the reports of the ratings agencies. As of December 31, 2012, Zurich was rated as a Euro AA/stable Euro unregistered trademark by Standard & Poor's, a Euro or 3/stable Euro unregistered trademark by Moody's, and A+/stable Euro unregistered trademark by AM Best. All figures below are for the year ended December 31 and are in USD millions unless stated otherwise. Criticism. In 2006, Zurich Financial Services settled a $171 million case relating to bid rigging and price fixing in the United States. Businesses shopping for commercial insurance were deceived into believing they were getting the best deals available, said Abbott. The whole anti-competitive scheme was an intentional smokescreen by several insurance players to artificially inflate premiums and pay improper commissions to those who brokered the deals. The states included in the settlement were Texas, California, Florida, Hawaii, Maryland, Massachusetts, Oregon, Pennsylvania and West Virginia. Zurich is also required to pay about $122 million in refunds to commercial policyholders in a New Jersey class action lawsuit settlement. Zurich Financial Services settled a bid rigging and improper finite reinsurance transactions probe. Zurich Financial agreed to pay $153 million in restitution and penalties and agreed to a series of reforms. Zurich apologized and acknowledged that certain of its employees violated both acceptable business practices and Zurich's own standards of conduct by engaging in improper bidding practices and the Euro finite reinsurance Euro unregistered trademark transactions described in the assurance of discontinuance. The states included in the settlement were New York, Connecticut and Illinois. In May 2007, Zurich Capital Markets, a subsidiary of Zurich Financial Services, paid $16.8 million to settle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission for helping four hedge funds disguise their identities to avoid detection when making frequent trades in mutual fund shares. And second director stated, by knowingly financing their hedge funds' clients' deceptive market timing, ZCM reaped substantial fees at the expense of long-term mutual fund shareholders. In 2015, small business owners and property developers in Britain complain that Zurich Euro unregistered trademark's British subsidiary, Dunbar Bank, had treated them unfairly by calling in loans quickly in order to win down its loan book after the parent company pulled out of the specialist UK property markets in 2010. They claimed that 71 Dunbar borrowers had been made bankrupt in the following 5-year period, many more than by any of Britannia Euro unregistered trademark's very much larger high street banks. One Dunbar customer wrote, Dunbar Euro unregistered trademark's latest set of accounts show that over 95% of its loan book is now classified as impaired or overdue, a euro the equivalent figure for UK asset resolution. The counter Euro unregistered trademark's bad bank, is just 37%. References. External links, UK website, North American website, Irish website, Weekly Women's Insurance lawsuit drags on for 2 decades, blogs.windsorstar.com. Accessed April 27, 2014.